comes running out before I even get out of the Jeep. There she goes. And she lays blue eggs. She's an Araucana chicken. She's the only one that we have that lays blue eggs. But they're kind of fun. They're super cute. They like people. And she jumps. She's funny. We could probably get her to do an obstacle course. And there's Daisy. She lays our big brown eggs. And that's Scarlet. She's a Rhode Island Red. I think most of the chickens are down in their coop because it's laying time, but we'll go down there in a second.
Oh, there you go. She jumped.
She jumped?
Yeah, he picked up.
Look up. You want to go see if anybody's laying any eggs?
Yeah, I didn't get all the popcorn.
Oh, okay. I think you got it all out. Yeah, all gone.
Now, one more. Now I need to get all this now, okay?
No, not all of that. We're going to put that back.
Okay,
One more. Okay, one more. Those are expensive.
Yeah, I need to
The babies are like, ooh, you got any more worms for me?
sure.
They don't get many bugs right now because it's winter. Well, it's going to be spring soon, but not many bugs out for them, so we get them some worms. Oh, yeah.
Now we're all in food.
Yummy.
And now let's go see more eggs.
Okay, let's go see if anybody's laying any eggs. We'll show you guys where they lay their eggs.
Make sure you eat them all.
Let's go see. Oh, there's our other rooster. His name is Bo Duke. Oh, there's my other two girls, Jem and
They all want food.
Paisley,
Let's get them all food.
and they're Plymouth
They got
Sapphire
food too,
Blue
okay?
chickens.
You need to get them food
Go
too.
ahead, you can give them some food. I'm gonna go show them the eggs really quick. There's Bo Duke and Daisy. She's making her way around. I think there must be somebody in the coop because Bo Duke's hanging out down here. He protects his girls. He's an Easter egger rooster. Isn't he pretty? He's got all sorts of colors. He's a little bit shy though. He doesn't really like to come up very close to me. Guess that's his job. Hey buddy! He's like, I'm out. I'm out. This is our coop. We have two coops actually. This one's the new one that we just built. And then the first one we had, I made it sort of in the playscape. The kids thought